Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce digital marketing strategy time with HubSpot step by step clearly. To reduce digital marketing strategy time with HubSpot, start by creating a clear marketing plan. Identify your target audience and their specific needs. Use HubSpot's buyer persona tool to establish detailed profiles. Next, set measurable goals to guide your strategy effectively. Utilize the SMART framework for goal setting: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Now, access HubSpot's marketing dashboard for an overview of your current metrics. Create an editorial calendar within HubSpot to streamline content scheduling. Plan out blog posts and social media updates for a consistent content flow. Leverage HubSpot's content management system to manage all your content in one place. Begin creating and optimizing your landing pages using HubSpot's templates. Incorporate calls to action to encourage visitor engagement on those pages. Use HubSpot's email marketing tools to automate your outreach efforts. Segment your audience based on their behavior and interests for targeted campaigns. Next, monitor your campaigns using HubSpot Analytics to track performance. Analyze which content performs best to refine your future strategies. Utilize HubSpot's social media tools to schedule posts and track interactions. Create SMART goals for your social media strategy as well. Regularly review your marketing funnel to identify areas for optimization. Take advantage of HubSpot's A/B testing features to determine what works best. Adjust your campaigns based on data-driven insights for continuous improvement. Finally, set regular check-ins to review your overall strategy. Utilize HubSpot's reporting features to generate performance reports for these meetings. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce the time spent on your digital marketing strategy with HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.